Hello viewer, welcome back to my video where you can get and where you can learn how to create content for Word documents and edit its content in part 2, because in the last video I created the part 1. So in this video I'm gonna create part 2. So here is where we stop in the last video. So in this far in the last video we talk about the home menu of tools, where we can change the size, the bold, the italic size, italicizing, you know what I'm saying. But in this video we're going to talk about files. So here, file, when you click on this save, it will just save your document. Normal saving after you made the first save. While in this savers, it will gonna give you ability to change the location of your saving, or to change the format of your document. Sometimes you may need to change the format of your document to PDF or something else, or you may need to change the location, or you may need to encrypt your document by putting the password, you know what I'm saying. So you will just need save as option to do this. So but now we just already save our document before. We don't need to resave it in any different kind of actually option, you know what I'm saying. But you can use this save as in order to save this document again. That means you create two files, you know what I'm saying. But you can change the name either by adding the part 1 or by adding some kind of text or symbol in the name, so that you can differentiate between the two files you just created, you know what I'm saying. While export to PDF, this helps you to actually convert your Word document into portable document file, you know what I'm saying. Which in the last video I talked about, when we come to file here, this is a typical example of PDF file, but we don't want it here. So I'm just trying to explain it to you how it's gonna be. So that's where we are. So for by the way, we talk about how to export to PDF. I hope you got what I'm saying. It will just help you to convert your Word document into portable document file. While share as options, this gives you ability in order to share your files with somebody else. Somebody may need your file to share it with you, or your friend will may ask you to, please, can you help me to share this file with me. You can just say, yeah, so you got no problem with that. I will just send it to you. So you will just either send the link for him, so for him or for her. This is the link options, where you can just share a list of text for him, so that when he clicks on the link, he will download that document you share to him. But it is not the original file you share in this option for the share link, you know what I'm saying. While when you want to share the actual original file, is to use this option, which is under the more sharing options, which is for original file. Tap on the original file, you will just get options like this. You may just share as the option like, do you want to share it as email or send cloud, WhatsApp business, send to computer, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, save to drive, OneDrive, send files, Xender, or it depends with the kind of media channel you want to share with, or you want to share through. So when you come to export images just gives you ability to create documents in form of different pictures, you know what I'm saying. You can convert your document into pictures, picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, which represent the page 1, page 2, page 3. When you let's go to the next thing. The next thing is send to computer. Sometimes you may need to edit your document on computer, because there are a lot of things in computer that are not actually here in our smartphone, which makes our work better. So that's very awesome which are very awesome. So you may need to share your document onto your computer so that you will put more things, you know what I'm saying. While extract pages, this gives you ability to extract some pages from either your document or from other document, or to some documents, you know what I'm saying. This option is more example like what I just said about export to images. It's almost the same option, you know what I'm saying. So merge documents, this is an option that gives you ability to combine two different documents into one single document, which is a very awesome procedure that you may not need sometimes to just go to this document, copy all the contents of it, and just insert it in one document. It's very kind of boring thing, you know what I'm saying. But when you just merge the two documents into one, it's very easy for you. But I think this merged document sometimes needs some kind of premium, some kind of option for actually data connection, you know what I'm saying. And sometimes you may need to buy some coupons, some coins for WPS, you know what I'm saying. So that's how it works. While file compressor, this gives you ability to reduce the size of your file, to compress the size of your file. For example, when you want to share it on actually website or email, in some websites there's a certain or specified range of range of the weight for the property for your document. The size, range of the size your document needs to be specified. Size of your document needs to be uploaded on that very website. For example, when you are applying for something in some website, they will ask you 2 megabyte only needed for this kind of document. So you need to compress your document into that very size required. While document encryption, this is the option that gives you ability to actually secure your document so that unauthorized access cannot get the access to open your document and do some kind of shits to you, you know what I'm saying. While print, this is the option that gives you ability to print your document directly from your smartphone. When you get a printer, you don't need to connect your computer, you know what I'm saying. You will just get the Wi-Fi of the computer or connect the printing cable to your smartphone, and just send the print to the computer and get your hard copy. While before we go there, you have to arrange how you need your documents to be printed. Firstly, the pages. Do you need all the pages to be printed, or do you need some specified pages, either page 1 and page 3, page 4, you need to specify the number of the page you want, or you just need the current page, the single page we are just currently in. You know what I'm saying? So let's go back. Let's go to the page setup. So page setup here is where you can just come to change the type of page size. The paper we usually use to print is this kind of paper, the A4. We usually use it in most of the printers, but the letter size is also very near to A4 in size. While orientation, do you need it in this vertical position, or do you need in this landscape, the horizontal position? It depends on how do you want your document to be. Also, this option gives you ability to preview your document before you print, to see how it is before you get printed, so that you may need some kind of editings before you print the document, and then you just print it. And after you print it, you just see some kind of things that you don't want. It's gonna be boring for you. So that's why you're gonna use this preview option in order to preview your document before printing. So let's get back to the option for print. Here we are. Print orange. Do you need all the pages to print orange? For example, page 1, page 2, page 3, up to page 100. If your document is if your document has 100 pages, or do you need even pages printing? The even pages printing is the type of printing that gives the printer ability to print only the pages with even number, which you don't need to know what are the even number, because it is automatically set up on your smartphone on our computer that when you finish typing the first page, the second page is definitely the page 2, which is an even number. So in some cases, in the even numbers are the 2, 4, 6, 8. You know what I'm saying? I think 10 is included, which are the numbers that you can divide into 2 and get no point. You know what I'm saying? So this option is when you create the when you print the even number, you will just put back the papers you just printed with even number and actually print the odd number, so that it will just print the odd numbers on the back of every even number. That's what we usually do in creating a textbooks. That's why you will see page 1 here. When you turn it, you will see page 2, and when you open the next page, you see, here is page 3 with page 4 at the back, and the other one is page 5 and page 6 at the back. So that's why that's the best option we use in printing this kind of textbooks and some kind of things. You know what I'm saying? While Zoom, paper per page, how many papers do you need per single page? Sometimes we usually need one paper on a single one page on a single paper, or sometimes you may need 2 pages on a single paper. So you will get the option for do you need a draw line between pages? When you get 2 pages on a paper, do you need a line to separate them so that you can see the difference between the size of the papers? You know what the size of the pages, you know what I'm saying? Or do you need to order them top and bottom? Do you need left to right, 2 pages on a single paper, one at the left side, one at the right side? Or do you need top and bottom, one at the top and one at the bottom of the paper? You know what I'm saying? Or do you need repeat, like page 1 less page 1 and page 1 both on one paper, page 2 and page 2 both on another single paper? So that's how it works. So we usually need 1 pages per paper. When you just tap on print, it will ask you to post print, system print services when you connect to any printer, or cloud print and other option. But we usually need this system print services, which we will use a printing cable to connect on our smartphone with the printer. So that's how it is. So let's get back to another options, which are the file information. The file information is here to gonna show you the name of the file, size of the file, type of file, location where you save the file, last when the file was modified, when you created the file, the title, theme, or the author of the file, who created the file. So here we see the guru who created the file, manager, company, category, and the keywords. So this gonna give you more information about files and so many things. While help and feedback, you will just get some kind of help option when you connect your phone, when you get connected to internet, so that you will get some frequently asked questions about what documents, you know what I'm saying, on your WPS office for your smartphone. But sometimes you don't get a lot of actually questions we need from this kind of help and feedback. It is better to ask some people or somebody who knows more about this application, so that he will give you more information about how to use it and so many things. So in this video we talk about what is file and the contents of file menu and how to use it. So I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. as we can see the difference here, this home menu deals with all the content here in your document. You know what I'm saying? In this home menu, it gives you ability to do some kind of action about the contents that are really on the paper or your document. You know what I'm saying? While file deals with the activity of the entire file, entire file entirely, so you, as you can see, there's a kind of very different between these two different menus. So while in the next video we're gonna talk about insert menu, how to put pixel, text box, shelf, comment, table, page number, and so many things into our document. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video and you will be glad to watch this video, and I hope you will like my video and you will subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much. Let's meet in another video. See you next time.